Hi everyone, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV. If you're ready to take control of your finances and make 2025 your most financially successful year yet, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 30 actionable income management strategies that will transform the way you handle your money. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies that will guide you toward financial freedom. Let's jump right in. 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a monthly budget helps you take control of your finances by outlining your income and categorizing expenses. A good budget should account for necessities, discretionary spending, and savings. 2. Set SMART financial goals. SMART financial goals transform vague ambitions into actionable plans. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," decide, "I will save $3,000 in 6 months," by setting aside $500 each month. 3rd, track every expense. Tracking expenses allows you to identify spending habits and areas for improvement. Small, unnoticed expenses such as daily coffee runs or subscription services can add up over time. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to record every transaction. 4. Automate savings. Automating savings ensures consistency in building your financial reserves. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings or investment account to minimize the temptation to spend the money, and it helps create a habit of paying yourself first, ensuring long-term financial health. 5. Prioritize emergency funds. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net for unforeseen circumstances such as medical bills, job loss, or car repairs. Starting with small, consistent contributions ensures progress, and over time, your fund will grow to provide peace of mind during challenging times. 6. Pay yourself first. This principle emphasizes prioritizing savings or investments before spending on other obligations. By setting aside a fixed percentage of your income each month for savings or retirement, you ensure financial security while managing your daily needs. 7. Use the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting framework. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This balance helps allocate income efficiently while maintaining financial discipline. 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation occurs when higher income leads to increased spending rather than savings. While celebrating a raise is normal, direct the extra income toward financial goals, investments, or savings to ensure long-term benefits. 9. Eliminate high-interest debt. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can significantly limit financial progress. Focus on paying off these debts as quickly as possible. Reducing these burdens frees up income for other priorities. 10. Consolidate or refinance. Debt consolidation or refinancing can simplify payments and lower interest rates, making debt repayment more manageable. For example, combining multiple credit card debts into a single loan with a lower rate reduces financial strain. 11th, negotiate bills and expenses. Many service providers, including cable, internet, and insurance companies, are open to negotiation. Call them to ask about discounts, promotions, or loyalty offers. Highlight competitors' rates or bundle multiple services for savings. 12. Maximize retirement contributions. Employer-matched contributions to retirement accounts are essentially free money. Contribute at least the amount your employer matches to maximize your savings. If you have additional income, increase your contributions. 13. Diversify income streams. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or passive income opportunities like rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or royalties. Diversifying income streams increases financial stability. 14. Learn to say no. Resist pressure to spend on unnecessary activities or purchases. Politely decline invitations or offers that don't align with your financial goals, such as an expensive dinner or a last-minute shopping spree. 15. Adopt a cash envelope system. The cash envelope system involves dividing your monthly budget into categories like groceries, entertainment, or transportation, and placing the allocated cash in separate envelopes. Once an envelope is empty, stop spending in that category. Feeling inspired yet? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these. 16. Limit impulse buying. Impulse purchases often lead to unnecessary expenses. Implement a waiting period of 24 to 48 hours before buying non-essential items. This delay allows you to evaluate whether the purchase is truly necessary. 17. Invest in financial education. Improving your financial literacy empowers you to make smarter money decisions. Read books, attend workshops, take online courses, or listen to podcasts on budgeting, investing, and debt management. 18. Review and adjust monthly subscriptions. Subscriptions for streaming services, magazines, apps, or fitness memberships can pile up unnoticed. Review your subscriptions monthly, cancel those you don't use, and consider switching to cheaper alternatives. 19. Take advantage of rewards programs. Loyalty programs, cashback apps, and credit card rewards can offset everyday expenses. Use these programs to earn points, discounts, or cashback on purchases like groceries, fuel, or travel. 20. Plan your meals or cook at home. Eating out or ordering takeout regularly can strain your budget. Save money by planning meals for the week, shopping with a list, and cooking at home. Preparing meals in bulk or experimenting with affordable recipes reduces costs. 21st. Shop with a list. A shopping list helps you focus on buying what you need, avoiding impulse purchases, and staying within your budget. Before shopping, plan meals, check your pantry, and write down only necessary items. 22nd. Take on a no-spend challenge. A no-spend challenge involves cutting out non-essential expenses for a set period, such as a week or a month. Use this time to evaluate spending habits, get creative with free activities, and redirect savings toward financial goals. 23rd. Review insurance policies. Regularly review your insurance coverage to ensure you're adequately protected without paying for unnecessary add-ons. Shop around for competitive rates on auto, health, home, or life insurance. 24. Invest in quality over quantity purchasing. High-quality, durable items, even if they cost more upfront, saves money in the long run by reducing the need for replacements. For example, investing in quality shoes, appliances, or electronics ensures reliability, longevity, and lower maintenance costs compared to cheaper, low-quality alternatives. 25th. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts like health savings accounts, flexible spending accounts, or individual retirement accounts allow you to save for specific expenses while reducing your taxable income. 26th. Audit annual financial statements. Reviewing annual financial statements from banks, credit card companies, or investment accounts helps identify errors, unnecessary fees, or fraudulent transactions. 27th. Plan for irregular expenses. Irregular expenses like car repairs, holiday gifts, or annual subscriptions can disrupt your budget if unplanned. Create a sinking fund by setting aside small amounts each month for these costs. 28th. Limit the use of credit cards. Using credit cards excessively can lead to overspending and high-interest debt. Instead, rely on cash or debit cards to manage daily expenses. If you use credit cards, pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. 29th. Track your net worth. Your net worth is the difference between your assets and liabilities. Tracking it regularly helps measure financial progress and informs decisions about spending, saving, and investing. 30. Celebrate milestones. Achieving financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund, deserves recognition. Celebrate milestones in meaningful, budget-friendly ways to stay motivated. That's it. 30 powerful strategies to transform your finances in 2025. Which one will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Check out all the related resources and download the helpful links in the description below. See you in the next one.